Hello and welcome to this week's AB Tutor video. Today I'm going to finish off the tour of the Actions panel by talking about the command prompt action. This is another administrator only action, so it's not available to normal console users. The command prompt is similar to the launch action in that it allows you to run things on the client computer. However, the big difference is that whilst launch will run the command as if the user entered it, meaning it will run as that user and if there's a GUI in their session, the command prompt runs the command in the background as the system user. This has a few effects. Firstly, it means that you can use it to run things at a higher privilege level. Installations can be run, operating system updates and admin tasks will work as they should, and so on. Secondly, the command will run completely invisibly to any user who is logged in onto the computer. This can be both an advantage and a disadvantage. Because it's hidden, you can run these commands without worrying that it will disturb the current user of that computer, or that they will interfere with or cancel the command. However, it also means that you need to make sure the command you're running doesn't require a GUI to open, as this will fail since there's nowhere to display it. Finally, because commands are much simpler than clicking on GUI elements, it's much easier to run through a process on a large number of computers at once, sending the commands out in sequence to complete whatever task is required. To use the command prompt, select the computers you wish to affect, and then click on its icon in the Actions panel. The command prompt window will open. If you have selected multiple computers, you will see a number of tabs across the top, one for each computer, plus one labelled All. Select the tab for one of your computers and enter a DOS command, or a bash command for Macs, in the top box, and then click Send. This will run the command on the client computer and show any output from that command in the black box underneath. This allows you to interact with the computer as if you were using a command prompt directly on that machine. If you select the All tab and run a command, no output will be displayed. However, if you check through the other tabs, you'll see that the command you entered has been run on all of the selected clients. You can check through the tabs to see whether the command has failed on any of your computers, or if there's any output you need to be aware of. Please note that it's not possible to interact with a command once it has been executed, so all programs should be run in a silent, non-interactive mode. The command prompt is useful for running installers which can't be pushed out with group policy, for manually triggering group policy updates, and many other purposes. Launch, on the other hand, is typically for use by teachers during lessons. I hope you found this introduction to the command prompt useful. If you use it a lot yourself, let us know what your favourite tricks are in the comments. If you have any questions, please let us know by emailing support@abtutor.com, and as ever, thanks for watching.